Today, the FDA granted full approval to the Pfizer vaccine for people ages 16 and older. Thanks for joining us for Newswatch 12 at 5. I'm Alicia Rubin. Now, this is the first coronavirus vaccine to get that full approval from the FDA, and it is expected to open the door for more vaccine mandates. Newswatch 12's Adam Shum spoke with public health officials about what all this means. Adam?
Evening, I spoke to Dr. Jim Shames today. He tells me he hopes this will encourage more people in Jackson County to get vaccinated. This is the county sits at 58% of the population vaccinated. That's give or take in the middle of the pack in terms of the OHA. This all comes, Alicia, as you mentioned, the FDA granting full approval for the Pfizer vaccine earlier this morning. Dr. Jim Shames tells me that he feels that it clears the air of the whole issue of the vaccines being rushed. He's hoping that'll encourage more people to get vaccinated. The Pfizer vaccine has been authorized for emergency use in the United States since mid-December for people 16 and older. In May, the authorization was extended to those 12 and older, but not recommended to get vaccinated right now.
I think it probably will. There's lots of reasons why people have decided not to get vaccinated yet. But one of them is, this feels experimental. I'd feel more comfortable if it was fully vetted by the FDA, and it has been. I think it will also allow physicians more flexibility.
In July, Pfizer announced that the FDA granted its vaccine a priority review, and the FDA has been pulling in extra help from across the agency to speed final approval of the vaccine. Some experts have pushed the FDA to approve vaccines quickly, as doing so could help combat vaccine hesitancy. Now back to Dr. Jim Shames. Speaking with him today, he still is urging everyone out there to get the vaccine, as it does take about 6 weeks to take effect as we continue to see a rise in cases due to that Delta variant. If you do need information on where to get vaccinated near you, you can simply head over to our website, kdrv.com. Meanwhile, the state of Oregon announcing another 4,100 new cases. That's over the last 3 days. And Jackson County announcing another more than 300 cases tonight. We'll dive into more of the latest numbers tonight when you join us for Newswatch 12 at 6. But for now, we're live in Medford tonight. I'm Adam Shums, Newswatch 12.